Hey, what's up guys, in this video I'm reviewing the headphones with a full review of the Bowers Wilkins PX7 S2. These are not your average everyday headphones. These are headphones for those who demand audio luxury, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge features. The PX7 S2 builds on the success of the original PX7, but with some major refinements and improvements that make it a serious contender in the premium wireless ANC headphone space. In this review, I'll cover design, comfort, sound quality, noise cancellation, battery life, smart features, and real-world performance. Let's get started. Also, the link to these headphones will be included in the video description below. Let's kick things off with the first impressions. The PX7 S2 looks absolutely stunning. Bowers Wilkins nailed the aesthetic. These headphones scream class, from the textured fabric finish on the ear cups to the elegant metal detailing on the yoke and the subtle branding on the sides. It's minimalist but luxurious. The PX7 S2 come in three colorways: black, gray, and navy, all with a refined, grown-up vibe. When you pick them up, they feel solid, premium, and well-built. No creaks, no flimsy plastic, just a beautifully engineered piece of audio gear that you will be proud to wear in public. The build quality here is what you would expect from Bowers & Wilkins. It's top-notch. These are designed to last. The frame uses a combination of aluminum and high-quality composite materials, keeping things lightweight yet durable. The headband is padded with memory foam and wrapped in a smooth fabric that feels great on the skin. And let's talk about those ear cups. The memory foam cushions are wrapped in high-grade leatherette, giving you plush comfort even during long listening sessions. The clamping force is just right, snug without being too tight. You can wear these for hours without any pressure points or fatigue. Perfect for long flights, deep work sessions, or just lounging around listening to your favorite tracks. Now, let's talk about sound quality. This is where the PX7 S2 really flexes. Bowers & Wilkins has always prioritized audio fidelity, and the PX7 S2 is no exception. These headphones deliver a rich, detailed, and immersive sound that honestly feels like a studio-grade experience. You get custom-designed 40mm drivers angled inside the ear cups for better spatial clarity. The soundstage is wide and layered, making every instrument and vocal sit exactly where it should. Bass is punchy but controlled, no muddy boom here. It's tight and precise, giving you impact without overwhelming the mids. Speaking of mids, they are beautifully clear. Vocals sound intimate and present, whether it's a solo acoustic performance or a dense pop track. And the highs, crystal clear, with enough sparkle to bring out the details in cymbals, strings, and synths without ever crossing into harsh territory. Bowers & Wilkins tunes these headphones for a neutral, refined sound signature. This isn't about boosting the bass or exaggerating the treble, it's about delivering music the way it was meant to be heard. By the way, prices on these headphones update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most of the information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now onto the noise cancellation. The PX7 S2 brings a solid ANC performance to the table. It's not quite as aggressive as what you will get with something like the Bose 700 or the Sony WH-1000 XM5, but it's still very effective. It handles low-frequency sounds like airplane engines, air conditioning, and traffic noise with ease. What's nice is that the ANC doesn't mess with the audio quality. A lot of headphones lose detail when ANC is active, not the case here. You will still get that full, rich sound even when the world around you is completely muted. There's also a transparency mode, letting in external sounds when you need to stay aware of your surroundings. It's perfect for walking through a busy city or having a quick chat without removing your headphones. Now let's talk about smart features and controls. As far as controls go, Bowers & Wilkins keep things simple and physical. You got tactile buttons on the right ear cup for playback, volume, and calls. There's also a dedicated button for switching ANC modes. While some folks love touch controls, physical buttons give you reliability and precision, especially in colder weather or when you're on the move. The Bowers & Wilkins music app lets you customize your listening experience. You can switch ANC ANC modes, fine-tune the EQ with a simple 3-band adjustment, and manage firmware updates. It's not the most advanced app out there, but it gets the job done and keeps the interface clean. The headphones also support wear detection, so your music pauses automatically when you take them off and resumes when you put them back on. It's smooth and responsive, adding a touch of convenience to your daily listening. Battery life is strong, up to 30 hours with ANC on. That's more than enough for long-haul flights, all-day work sessions, or a few days of regular use without needing to recharge. And when you do need to top up, a 15-minute quick charge gives you about 7 hours of playback. That's seriously impressive and keeps you in the game with minimal downtime. The PX7 S2 supports Bluetooth 5.2, which brings strong, stable connectivity and multi-point pairing. That means you can connect to two devices at once, super useful if you are working on a laptop and need to take a call on your phone. They also support aptX Adaptive, SBC, and AAC. This ensures high-quality audio streaming across a wide range of devices. Whether you are on Android or iOS, the low-latency performance is great for watching videos and gaming too. So how do they compare in 2025? The premium headphone market is loaded: Sony, Bose, Sennheiser, Apple, you name it. But the PX7 S2 still hold their ground beautifully. They don't try to be all things to all people. Instead, they focus on delivering superior audio performance in a gorgeous package with just the right amount of smart features. If sound quality and design are your top priorities, these are a top-tier pick. If you want the absolute strongest ANC or the most customizable app, you might lean towards Sony. But if you want sound that's a cut above with premium materials and timeless style, the PX7 S2 absolutely deserve your attention. Wrapping it up, the Bowers Wilkins PX7 S2 are an impressive evolution of an already excellent headphone line. With improved comfort, smarter features, refined ANC, and audiophile-grade sound, they hit a sweet spot that's hard to beat. They're not trying to be flashy with gimmicks, they're here to deliver stunning sound wrapped in premium materials with all the functionality you actually need. If you got the budget and you care about how your music sounds, these are absolutely worth it. Let me know in the comments, guys, are you planning to pick up these headphones or are you going to stick with what you already have? That's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on these headphones. See you in the next one.